Viet Ngo's story began in Vietnam, where he was born in 1952, the son of a provincial military man. His relocation to Minnesota resulted from a friendship between his father and a Marine Corps Reserve officer named Harold Chase, who was also a University of Minnesota political science professor. Young Ngo had intended to study in France, but Chase suggested the U of M. Ngo lived for a time with the Chase family, developed his English skills by watching TV, and earned a degree in civil engineering in only 2 years. He then completed a master's degree program and worked toward a fine arts degree, and became the creator of massive sculptures that have been exhibited across the country. Meanwhile, as a young engineer, he collaborated on a revolutionary water treatment process utilizing a plant known as duckweed, which can feed on impurities in wastewater. In 1983, he and a microbiologist patented the process and launched Lemna, the name of which comes from the Latin word for duckweed. Ngo designed a huge water treatment facility 4 years later near Devil's Lake, North Dakota. Hundreds of other jobs would follow. Ngo, who eventually bought out Lemna's co-founder, saw opportunities throughout the world. In the late 1980s, he helped build a wastewater plant in Poland. Within a few years, he was pursuing projects in Kenya, Tunisia, and other African nations. By 2000, Lemna's overseas activities exceeded its U.S. business. Today, Lemna designs, develops, finances, and manages large-scale infrastructure and environmental projects in such disparate places as Mexico, Kenya, Vietnam, and the United States. The company's 2008 revenues totaled $100 million, and Ngo expects, quote, healthy growth in the future. Among its recently completed projects are a wastewater treatment plant in Chihuahua, Mexico, a solid waste treatment complex in Ho Chi Minh City, a natural gas compression plant in Nigeria, and a Lemna-owned preparatory academy that will train Nigerian students for entrance to U.S. universities. Last year, with more than 300 construction projects to its credit, Viet Ngo's Lemna International celebrated its 25th anniversary. The company had more projects in its pipeline than ever before, and Ngo confirmed a goal to reach $1 billion in annual revenue. But it is a goal, he said, not an obsession. Yes, he said he wants the company to be bigger and more profitable. At age 57, he does not want to slow down, scale back, or narrow his activities. But most of all, he said, we want to create long-lasting and beautiful things for the world.